I mean, like it asked me specific, quite cool questions. It just felt like really peaceful. It's hard to put like words, but yeah, it's definitely an experience. Well, that we're all just one. That we're all connected.
How does anybody else want to try to either soul expand or go out of the body?
really compressed in there. It's like squeezing really hard. It's like, come on, get out of there. Wow. My situation is that I've been stuttering since as long as I can remember. I've spent thousands of dollars on speech therapy and all this stuff, and I'm still in shock right now. I don't know how to explain.
All of a sudden, my attention was directed here because all of a sudden he was directing his voice to all of us, and he was talking like a mile a minute.
Yeah.
And he was saying, "Fuck, I can't believe it," and he wasn't stuttering.
Just coming up. Can't believe it, yeah.
And it was just like,
How do you explain something like that?
And all of a sudden my head turned, my goodness, Gavin, what are you doing? And then he was like,
I'm talking.
he was like
Speak.
talking, and he's holding himself straight and his head up and totally another posture. And I was like, he was like, well, they're gonna get tired of me talking because now I'm gonna talk and talk and talk. And I was like, keep going, go Gavin.
Oh, thank you. I mean, thank you for him. Oh my God, that's amazing.
It's our pleasure.
I mean, it's like, geez, how do you feel? It's like walking around. It like just brings me so much joy to know that that can be done. We didn't. Nobody hurt him. He didn't have to take freaking medicine. He didn't have to go like for $20,000 and 3 years of therapy. I mean, think about it.
I've been going through speech therapy for years and years and years, and I might have had a flow for like a few minutes or a few sentences, but now it's like, fuck yeah, come on, talk.
I just ran so much energy through him, like I connected to his full spinal column, and I'm just shoving it up from the earth like the feet are two electrical sockets, and it's shooting energy up. And so, you know, anything dark or stuck in him, you know, came out.
That tight, very tight blockage right here is gone. It's more of it's a flow.
You know, my goal was to take him out of his body, but the healing ended up, you know, coming in. Yeah.
Oh.
This is awesome. Yeah. So there you go. It's I can't really show you more of a real like proof of how real our practices are, like how much this stuff can do. So yeah.